we have Kate, our nurse practitioner, and I'm Dr. Tayyib. We're going to take you through multiple topics on health awareness.
What do I do if I just pop out to the shops, to the supermarket, and I'm going around buying my shopping and I develop a cough? What do I do when I'm out and about?
So, Kate, usually it is persistent cough, which is symptom of coronavirus. So if you just have a bit of prickly throat and you're having a bit of a cough, that may become something completely unrelated. But you should take all the precautions, and the precaution is try to avoid coughing in the air. So use your elbow, bent elbow, put on the in front of mouth, and cuff on your elbow. And try not to bring your hand in front of your mouth, because that will spread and the virus, if it is a virus infection. So the best thing is, if you have tissue, you use a tissue to cough on, and then you discard the tissue straight away and wash your hands.